nose is running as usual. What a mess. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Sephora play box unbagging, I guess. This is for the month of March. First of all, I'm so sorry that my past two videos and now this one are all unbagging or unboxing videos. I normally try to spread them out throughout the month, but I happened to get all the bags or boxes late in the month and I just didn't have another chance to film these unbagging videos, and I wanted to do it before we hit April, and I feel like this month went by so fast. So sorry about that, but I promise the next video will be something a bit more fun than an unboxing or unbagging video. So this is what the box looks like when it comes in the mail. It's just like the Sephora black and white stripes, and then it says Play by Sephora on it. And then on the inside, you get the little handout that says what everything is for, and a cute little baggie. This is what this month looks like. It says beauty is my spirit animal, and it's in like this blue tie-dye print, which I think is really cute. And it's just this little tie bag that you open up. I did peek because I wanted to know what to put on my face and what not. And there aren't that many items that I was able to try on for you guys, so I apologize for that, but I am still going to go through the box or bag and let you know what I think, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So the first item in here is this guy. It is the Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm, and this is what it looks like. This is basically a primer, and I used that on my face today. I actually really liked this. It was very moisturizing, and it did give like a glow to the face, as the name suggests. In the little pamphlet, it says, a moisturizing balm that energizes tired skin with ultra fine pearls. And yeah, I agree. It says this formula is the perfect pick-me-up for dull skin, as it instantly brightens, energizes, and illuminates with light reflecting pearls and lychee extract. And you're just supposed to apply this before you put on your makeup, which I did, and like I said, I'm pleasantly surprised. I may have to get a bigger version of this because, I mean, it's such a little baby sample. So the next item in here is this. This is by the brand IGK, and it's the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. And this says it's a nourishing leave-in conditioner that boosts your hair's hydration for a shiny, frizz-free style. I didn't put it in my hair today just because I just opened the bag and wasn't prepared to put anything in my hair, but I know that this brand is supposed to be really good. I have a couple other products by them. It has coconut oil, and oh, it's supposed to be like for festival. Oh, because the theme this month is what's your festival beauty vibe. I don't know if I'm going to any festivals as of yet, but hopefully, and then I'm sure I could use this. And I mean, can you see my hair? Like, I think I could use some frizz control. So there was that. The next item is another hair product, which is kind of part of why I can't try out all these for you. Otherwise, I totally would. But this is by the brand Amica, and it is a nourishing mask. It says a deep conditioning mask that hydrates and repairs damaged strands while adding major shine. So it's for damage, it increases shine, and it deeply conditions, like I just said. And I mean, look at the packaging on this. It's super like funky, like very 70s I'm getting. And I will be sure to try this out. At first I thought it was a face mask and I was going to try it out for you guys on camera, but then I looked at the directions and it was like, gratify your hair with rich, high potency nourishment. And I was like, sorry. I love getting hair masks, even though I always forget to use them. I'm always in the shower and I'm like, wow, there's the conditioner, there's the shampoo. Definitely have like 800 items I could be using right now. But anyway, that's that product. The next item is this. This is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And this is what the little box looks like. And then you just take it out. And it is a felt tip liner. Now, I am terrible at putting on any kind of liquid eyeliner. Like whether it be felt tip, brush tip, whatever it may be, terrible. I definitely need more practice because I mean, I tried to clean it up a little bit, but just look at these eyes. Like, do you see how crooked these lines are? And like, I got it up. It's a great eyeliner. I just need more practice. Yeah, this is a great product. I know it's very comparable to the Kat Von D liquid liner, which I hear is great. This is like a top one. So it's cool that we got this in the bag. That just says it's an easy to apply waterproof liquid eyeliner that dries fast and stays all day, which I think is true. This is like great to travel with. And yeah. Okay, the next item is a foaming cream cleanser by the brand Kors. It's a Greek yogurt foaming cleanser. It says it's a luxurious cream to foam cleanser that contains skin-loving Greek yogurt. I feel like I'm repeating myself like 800 times in this video. Sorry. But this is what the bottle looks like. This is a one-of-a-kind cream cleanser that contains protein-rich Greek yogurt to nurture skin just like it does the body. Its soothing formula contains amaranth seed extract and honeysuckle to reduce redness. I could use that. I have redness. So again, didn't get to try this out for you guys, but I will, and I will keep you updated as to how I like it. But I mean, I don't see why I wouldn't like it. Oh yeah, it's just like a regular cleanser. I'm assuming it smells like Greek yogurt, even though I cannot confirm. And the final item in here is this guy. It's by the brand Supergoop, and it's a Defense Refresh Setting Mist with SPF 50, and this says to spritz over makeup to refresh your UV protection. So I feel like it's kind of a setting spray, but that has SPF, which, like, look how adorable. This is such a good travel friendly little sunscreen thing, and you just spray it on your face. I'm gonna do it now because I didn't set my makeup. So you just shake it, and let's see. Oh, I like that mist. Oh yeah, that tastes like sunscreen. Okay, I don't know, maybe it's more geared towards the sunscreen part as opposed to being a setting spray. Helps prevent sunburn. If used as directed with other sun protection measures, decreases the risk of skin cancer and early aging caused by the sun. Good to know. And this just says it's a refreshing, it does say setting spray, a refreshing setting spray and sunscreen duo that controls oil. Okay, I don't really have a problem with oil, but always good to have some sunscreen because I have a problem, not a problem, I have very fair skin, and you know, want to keep the skin healthy. Wow, so that was all over the place as per usual. But that was everything that was in the March Play by Sephora bag. And yeah, I hope that was maybe somewhat helpful. Maybe if you were thinking of getting the subscription, maybe if you were thinking of getting the Sephora subscription box, that this helped in some way. It is only $10 a month, which I think is a great deal because you get to try out these little things. They are generally pretty small samples, but it still gives you a chance to try something out, and then if you want it, you know that Sephora sells it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!